Hello, my name is Charulata and I'm from the Artificial Intelligence and Data Science branch from Panimala Engineering College. QSpiders play a crucial role in my success. The Java classes help me build strong coding skills, while the aptitude and verbal sessions improve my problem solving and communication. Mock interviews and technical discussions boosted my confidence and prepared me for the real placement scenarios. The trainers were very amazing and they were always supportive and clearing doubts and guiding me throughout. I would like to sincerely thank QSpiders and my trainers for their continuous guidance and encouragement. This support has been instrumental in helping me achieving my goals. To all my inspiring students, stay consistent, practice regularly, and trust the process with the right guidance and effort. Success will definitely follow. Thank you.